Diocese of Okrika Anglican Communion, Okrika North Archdeaconry, St. Jude's Mega Parish Church, Amadi present 2022 Youth and Children Harvest. The PCC Harvest Committee and the entire congregation heartily invite you to the 2022 Youth and Children Harvest with the theme Harvest of Exceeding Great Reward. Genesis 15 verse 1. Date Sunday 4th September 2022. Under the chairmanship of Ambassador Tammy Wilson Amadi, Chief Harvester, Master Achase God Gift Elliott, and special guest of honor, Honorable Smart Adoki, Member, River State House of Assembly. Date Sunday 4th September 2022. Time 9 a.m. prompt. Venue Church Auditorium. This is signed by Mrs. Jane Asisoike Rodney, Secretary, Engineer Dagogo Iningba, Chairman, and Reverend Orala Charles David, Vicar. Come, for Jesus is Lord forever.